Hey friends, welcome back to Math Defined. We finished the lessons on adding integers, so now it's your turn to try some on your own. But this is not just a watch and listen video. I want you to actually pause, work each problem out, and then we'll check your answers together. And if you'd like to work these out on paper with me, there is a printable worksheet for this practice at mathdefined.com. So grab your pencil, get ready to hit pause when you need to, and let's do this. All right, let's start with number 1. This one gives us a number line, and we need to figure out the expression and the sum illustrated by the red and blue arrows. Pause the video and see if you can figure it out first. All right, the red arrow shows -6 because it goes 6 units to the left. The blue arrow shows +8 because it goes 8 units to the right. That gives us the expression -6 plus 8, which lands us at +2 on the number line. Let's try another one. Use the number line to write the expression and find the sum. Okay, the red arrow shows -2, and the blue arrow shows -5. So the expression is -2 plus -5, and that takes us to -7. Let's keep on going. Next we are given -5 plus -11. Find the sum first, and then use the number line to justify your answer. All right, this is one of those problems where both integers are negative. So you can think, add the numbers and keep the negative sign. Now to justify that answer, we start at -5 on the number line. Then we're adding -11. So that means we move 11 spaces to the left. That lands us at -16. So the sum of these two negative integers is definitely -16. Next we have -15 plus +5. Find the sum first and then use the number line to justify your answer. The two integers have different signs, so you can think subtract and then keep the sign of the larger number. To justify our answer, we start at -15 on the number line. Then adding +5 means moving 5 spaces to the right. That lands us on -10. So we know our answer is correct. This time we have +12 plus -10. Again, the two integers have different signs, so we think subtract and keep the sign of the larger number. Justifying our answer, we start at +12. Adding -10 means moving 10 spaces to the left. That brings us to +2. We're right again. And I think we've had enough of number lines. For the next set of problems, we're going to use just the rules for adding integers, no number lines. So keep these two rules in mind. If the integers have the same sign, add the numbers and keep the sign. If the integers have different signs, subtract and keep the sign of the integer with the larger absolute value. Okay, first we have -36 plus -12. Both integers are negative, so we add 36 and 12, which gives us 48. Then keep the negative sign, so we get -48. Number 7. -4 plus -6 plus +5. Order of operations requires us to add from left to right. So we'll add -4 plus -6 first to get -10. Then we'll add -10 to +5. And since the signs are different, we'll subtract and keep the sign of the larger integer. So our final answer is -5. For number 8, we have +10 plus -23 plus +4. Adding from left to right, we have +10 added to -23. We have different signs, so we'll subtract and keep the negative sign, resulting in -13. Then we add positive 4 to get negative 9. Now let's see some math in action. During the first play of a football game, you gain 7 yards. You lose 2 yards during the second play. Write and solve an expression to find the total gain of yards for these 2 plays. Okay, a gain of 7 yards translates to positive 7. A loss of 2 yards translates to negative 2. To find the total gain of yards, we'll add positive 7 to negative 2. Using the rules for adding integers, we subtract 2 from 7, and since positive 7 has the larger absolute value, we have a gain of positive 5 yards. One more problem to go. Write an expression using the given integers, negative 2, positive 3, and negative 8, that equals negative 7. Use a number line to justify your answer. Okay, you may have noticed that this problem has many different answers, so I'm only going to write and justify one possible solution. If you want to challenge yourself, go ahead and find them all. One possibility is negative 2 plus positive 3 plus negative 8. Adding from left to right, negative 2 plus positive 3 is positive 1. And positive 1 plus negative 8 is negative 7. So that combination works. Now let's justify that answer on the number line. We'll start at negative 2 and then move 3 units to the right, stopping at positive 1. Then we'll move 8 units to the left for negative 8, landing at negative 7. Nice work today! Pausing before checking is a great way to get better and better at adding integers. If you're ready to keep going, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and head on over to mathdefined.com to continue with the next lessons on adding rational numbers. I'll see you soon, and until next time, keep math awesome.